You are listening to the NOAA Weather Radio, serving the San Diego area. Currently in our area, 65 degrees, under cloudy skies. Today, cloudy with a slight chance of severe storms, high, 70 degrees.
The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a tornado warning for central San Diego County in southwestern California until 10:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 10:21 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Valley Center, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Valley Center, Escondido, and Hidden Meadows. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If no shelter is available, lie down in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued till 10:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: Central San Diego,
Tonight, cloudy skies, low, 54. Tomorrow, cloudy skies with showers possible, high, 68. Here's our 7-day outlook.